I came to visit Mr. President just to update him about the end of 2025 performance of NNPC, but also to talk about the strategic priorities for 2026 as we move to the end of the year. I think it's important to first of all say that is to thank Mr. President for the inspiration he has given to the new NNPC management, as you know, and the board. Through this very challenging time of transformation. As we all know, no matter how you look at it, transformation is very, very difficult. But I think with his backing, we've been able to begin to make significant improvement to the structure of NNPC. You've seen our production this year. Last year, we were about 1.5 million barrels per day. This year, we're getting to about over 1.7 million barrels per day in terms of oil production. The same thing, our gas production has also increased from about 6.5 million standard cubic feet to about over 7 billion standard cubic feet per day. So I think some of those are underpinned by very structural changes within the organization. I think the other bit that was quite interesting this year is, as you know, we've been able to successfully complete the welding of the main line of the AKK. You remember sometimes in summer we were able to cross the River Niger, which has been a struggle for many years. By completing this main line, what that means now is that we can begin to connect, make all the connections to the main line, which we will do in the earlier parts of next year. And why that is very important is that that brings gas in its full form into the northern part of Nigeria. We're looking at Kaduna, Kano, and also, of course, Ajaokuta and Abuja, where we begin to see industrialization, we begin to see industrial park taking gas for gas-based industry, fertilizer plants, as well as generating power. So those are some of the achievements we've achieved this year. I think for next year, I think the conversations in terms of our key priorities, the most important part, again, is to focus on increasing production. When we say increasing production, it sounds simple, but there's a lot that goes into it. It means attracting the right investment to increase production, whether it's oil or gas. And next year, we're hoping to, achieve at least 1.8 million barrels, per day. Again, stepping up from where we are this year in terms of oil production, as well as further increase in terms of gas production as well. We're also expecting to pull in additional investment, significant investment. We're expecting more investment decisions to come through next year. And next year also, we're looking at our portfolio as well, to rationalize our portfolio, to ensure that we can do that in a way that we attract more investment for incremental production, as well as more investment to develop all the fields that have been fallow for a very, very long time. So overall, I think it's been a very good meeting. Mr. President, commended the management team and the board for the good start, but he's also charged us with, driving the performance aspiration that he has set for us towards additional investment by 2030 of over 30 billion, as you recall, but also being able to increase production of oil to 2 million barrels per day by 2027. So those charges still reminded me about it, and that and we are counting fully on his support. So we're very confident with the support we're getting, that NNPC management and the board and the staff of NNPC. We're very grateful to Mr. President,